Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unprivate your YouTube shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your YouTube studio. Either you can do it from your mobile app by downloading YouTube Studio app, or you can do it from the web app. And basically, you can just go to the YouTube website and then click on your profile pic and you will find Open YouTube Studio. And after that you open your YouTube Studio, you will need just to go to your content so you can search for the content that you want to uh, unprivate or to change its visibility. So we go to content and from here we go to shorts. And basically here we can find already visibility from here. And this is the easiest way to change the visibility of your video. You will need just simply to click on the visibility and then change it to private if you would like. And in case you have it already private, you will need to click again and make it as public and it will be public. Otherwise, you can have it unlisted and that means it will be only visible to the people who have uh, the link of this video or this shorts. And also, you can start scheduling your publishing. And basically, you can schedule as public and add a date and time. And of course, you can choose your time zone if you would like. And then you click on schedule. In my case, I'm just going to do it like that. Also, you can just go to the details and do the same thing. So you have two places from where you can start changing it. And you can go to here and start changing the visibility from the details page. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.